Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code for Java programming. So for that it is very important to have Java installed on your system first. So go to your favorite browser and to type over here Java JDK download. Just simply go to the official site of oracle.com. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and we'll get latest version of Java at the time of making of this video is a JDK 26. So depending upon what operating system you are using, Linux, macOS or Windows, you need to switch to that and you need to download for Windows this MSI installer. So click on this link and that's going to immediately start downloading your Java. So by the time it gets downloaded, next software that will need is Visual Studio itself. Just type Visual Studio Code and go to the official site of Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Again, this link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. And to download VSCode as well. And here you can see that it is rightly started downloading. So let's first start with installing our Java. So click on this installer. This is our Java installation wizard. Click on next. This is where Java is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next again. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And our installation for Java is rightly began. And it is done as well. Just simply click on close. So now that our Java is rightly installed, it's time to set our environment path. So go to search and type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variables. Click on that. And now click on environment variable. That will open environment variable window. Here you need to click on path and to click on edit. Here in environment variable, you need to paste Java JDK path. To get that path, first you need to go to your C drive. Here you need to go inside program files. You will get a Java folder created over here. Go inside that folder. You will get this latest Java 26.0.1 at the time I'm making of this video again. So that's the Java JDK latest version. So you need to go inside that. You will get a bin folder. You need to go inside that bin folder again and you need to click on this path and you need to right click and copy this entire path. Now you can minimize this and again go back to this environment variable and need to click on new and right click and paste that Java JDK path over here. Now click on OK. Once you do that, next step is to set your Java home. So click on new and just simply type Java underscore home and just in variable value paste that entire path. But this time remember to delete that bin folder. You need to keep only till Java JDK and the version number. Just click on OK after that and click on OK and again OK. So that's how you install latest version of Java. You can verify it once. Just go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type java space dash dash version and hit enter, you are going to get this prompt. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is congratulations, you have successfully installed your Java. Now it's time to install Visual Studio Code. So here is our Visual Studio Code setup. Just click on that installer. These are all license agreement. You must read it, accept it and click on next. Here I recommend you to select each and every single option and click on next. It's ready to be installed. Click on install. And our installation for Microsoft Visual Studio Code is rightly began. So this is going to take some time, a couple of minutes. So let's wait for some time. And there you go. You can see that our Visual Studio Code is rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. So just click on finish. That's going to launch our Visual Studio Code. And here is our Visual Studio Code. You can close this release note. Next, you can go to this extension over here and you can search Java. So that will give you this extension pack for Java. You need to install this. And you can see that it is rightly installed. Next thing that you need to install is Code Runner. So just type Code Runner and that will give you this Code Runner. You need to install this Code Runner as well. Click on Trust, Publisher and Install. And there it is, rightly installed. Next, let's do a bit of Java programming. So click on Open Folder and let's create a folder as Java Practice. So select this folder and let's create a new file. First we need to trust these authors and let's create a new file. So give this file name as hello world.java. Hit enter and that file going to be opened over here. So let's quickly type a Java program to open and close the parenthesis and we'll declare our main method. And within our main method we are going to print hello world. So after doing all this, you just first save this file and click on this run button, and that's going to give you output on your output tab. Next, I'm going to show you how you can take user input. So for that, we need to create a scanner class. Equal to new scanner. Let's import scanner and let's capture user input. sc.next line, end with semicolon, and let's print that output as well. So we'll just simply print str so that whatever user is actually typing, we will get that output. Very simple user input program. Let's first save this, and you need to go to the settings and you need to click on settings again over here. Here you need to go to extension, and you will get this extension that we have just now installed, that is run code configurations. You need to scroll down over here, and here you will get this option called run in terminal. So you need to check this. You can also search the same thing over here, run in terminal, that's going to give you the same thing. So here you can get this run in terminal as a first result. Basically you need to enable this, and you can click on close after that. And now as you click on this run button, this program going to run on our terminal. So you can see that it has rightly ran on our terminal. Now you can provide your input. I'll just provide input as hello world, hit enter, and you are going to get that output. So whatever you are giving, you are going to get that exact same output, because we are capturing over here the user input and we are printing that same thing on the next line. So just for convenience, what you can do is you can ask user to provide input. Please enter your string so that it becomes user friendly. You click on, first you save this and you click on this run button again. This time you can see here it is asking user to provide an input. So you are typing hello and you are going to get that output. So that's how you set up Visual Studio Code for Java programming. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested in Python, I have created all these different videos you can see for completely free. So you can check this entire playlist. I'm sure you're going to love them. And if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have created this entire playlist you can see. So all these different videos again are completely free. So you'll be able to know how to create all these different websites like a gym website or an e-commerce store or a portfolio website and all that. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.